Who has been appointed as the new governor of Haryana recently? Correct answer is option C, Asim Kumar Ghosh. Who is the current chief minister of Haryana? Correct answer is option D, Nayab Singh Saini. Pramod Sawant is the current chief minister of which state? Correct answer is option D, Goa. Who has been appointed as the new governor of Goa recently? Correct answer is option B, Ashok Gajapati Raju. And he is the former Civil Aviation Minister of India. Kavinder Gupta has been appointed to which position in July 2025 by the President of India? Correct answer is option C, Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh. Recently, Kavinder Gupta has been appointed as the new Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh. Who is the current Lieutenant Governor of New Delhi? Correct answer is option B, Vinay Kumar Saxena. Current Chief Minister of New Delhi, Rekha Gupta, belongs to which political party? Correct answer is option C, Bharatiya Janata Party. N. Chandrababu Naidu is the current Chief Minister of which state? Correct answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. Who is the current governor of Andhra Pradesh? Correct answer is option A, S. Abdul Nazir. Who is the current Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh? Correct answer is option A, Pema Khandu. Who is the current governor of Arunachal Pradesh? Correct answer is option C, Kaivalya Trivikram Parnayak. Who is the current Chief Minister of Assam? Correct answer is option D, Hemant Biswa Sharma. Who is the current governor of Assam? Correct answer is option C, Lakshman Prasad Acharya. Who has been appointed as the 42nd governor of Bihar? Correct answer is option D, Arif Muhammad Khan. Who is the current chief minister of Bihar and belongs to which political party? Correct answer is option B, Nitish Kumar from Janata Dal United. Who is the current chief minister of Chhattisgarh? Correct answer is option A, Vishnu Dev Sai. Who is the current governor of Chhattisgarh? Correct answer is option B, Raman Deka. Who is the current chief minister of Gujarat? Correct answer is option B, Bhupendra Patel. Who is the current governor of Gujarat? Correct answer is option A, Acharya Dev Vrat. Who is the current chief minister of Himachal Pradesh? Correct answer is option D, Sukhvinder Singh Sukhu. Shiv Pratap Shukla is the current governor of which state? Correct answer is option A, Himachal Pradesh. Who has become the first Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory? Correct answer is option B, Omar Abdullah. Omar Abdullah became the first Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir after its Union Territory designation. Who is the current Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory? Correct answer is option C, Manoj Sinha. Who is the current Chief Minister of Jharkhand? Correct answer is option D, Hemant Soren. Who is the current Governor of Jharkhand? Correct answer is option C, Santosh Kumar Gangwar. Who is the current Chief Minister of Karnataka? Correct answer is option B, Siddharamaiah. Who is the current Governor of Karnataka? Correct answer is option C, Thawarchand Gehlot. Who is the current Chief Minister of Kerala? Correct answer is option C. Pinarayi Vijayan. Who is the current Governor of Kerala? Correct answer is option A. Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar. Who is the current Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh? Correct answer is option D. Mohan Yadav. Who is the current Governor of Madhya Pradesh? Correct answer is option B. Mangubhai C. Patel. Who is the current Chief Minister of Maharashtra? Correct answer is option B. Devendra Fadnavis. Who is the current Governor of Maharashtra? Correct answer is option C. C.P. Radhakrishnan. Who is the current Governor of Manipur? Correct answer is option D. Ajay Kumar Bhalla. Who is the current Chief Minister of Meghalaya? Correct answer is option A. Konrad Kongkal Sangma. Who is the current Governor of Meghalaya? Correct answer is option D. C.H. Vijay Shankar. Who is the current Chief Minister of Mizoram? Correct answer is option A. Pu Lalduhoma. Who is the current Governor of Mizoram? Correct answer is option B. Retired General Vijay Kumar Singh. Nephew Rio is the current Chief Minister of which state? Correct answer is option A. Nagaland. Who is the current Governor of Nagaland? Correct answer is La Ganeshan. Who is the current Chief Minister of Odisha? Correct answer is option A. Mohan Charan Manjhi. Who is the current Governor of Odisha? Correct answer is option B. Dr. Hari Babu Kambhampati. Who is the current Chief Minister of Punjab? Correct answer is option A. Bhagwant Singh Mann. Who is the current Governor of Punjab? Correct answer is option C. Gulab Chand Kataria. Who is the current Chief Minister of Puducherry Union Territory? Correct answer is option D. N. Rangaswamy. Who is the current Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry Union Territory? Correct answer is option C. K. Kailash Nathan. Who is the current Chief Minister of Rajasthan? Correct answer is option D. Bhajan Lal Sharma. Who is the current Governor of Rajasthan? Correct answer is option A. Haribhau Kishanrao Bagade. Who is the current Chief Minister of Sikkim? Correct answer is option D. Prem Singh Tamang. Who is the current Governor of Sikkim? Correct answer is option B. Om Prakash Mathur. Who is the current Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu and belongs to which political party? Correct answer is option B. M.K. Stalin from DMK party. Who is the current Governor of Tamil Nadu? Correct answer is option C. R.N. Ravi. Who is the current Chief Minister of Telangana? Correct answer is option B. Revantha Reddy. Who is the current Governor of Telangana? Correct answer is option C. Jishnu Dev Verma. Who is the current Chief Minister of Tripura? Correct answer is option B. Dr. Manik Saha. Who is the Governor of Tripura at present? Correct answer is option D. Indrasena Reddy Nallu. Who is the current Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh? Correct answer is option C. Yogi Adityanath. Who is the current Governor of Uttar Pradesh? Correct answer is option A. Anandiben Patel. Who is the current Chief Minister of Uttarakhand? Correct answer is option D. Pushkar Singh Dhami. Who is the current governor of Uttarakhand? Correct answer is option B. Lieutenant General Gurmeet Singh. Who is the current Chief Minister of West Bengal? Correct answer is option B. Mamta Banerjee. Who is the current governor of West Bengal? Correct answer is option A. C.V. Anand Bose. Who is the current administrator of Chandigarh Union Territory? Correct answer is option B. Gulab Chand Kataria. Who is the current administrator of Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu? Correct answer is option B. Praful Patel. Who is the current Lieutenant Governor of Andaman and Nicobar Island? Correct answer is option D. D.K. Joshi. Who is the current administrator of Lakshadweep? Correct answer is option B. Praful Patel. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you. Who has been recently appointed as the new Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh Union Territory? So friends, share your answer in the comment box and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.